everybody, it's Brent. So we're going to do another grow. This time we're going to grow parsley. So let's get a weight on what I'm going to be using here. Zero out the scale with an empty cup. That way we're only measuring the actual seed. And we're going to grow 30, well, it's right at 30 grams. Okay, so we're going to grow 31 grams. I've got the assembly set up. I'm using a small screen because the seed of the parsley is small. And I've got just the mesh tray, the Bootstrap Farmer mesh tray underneath it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with the antifungal. And that's going to create a barrier. Sure how much you saw there, but I do spray the screen. And what that does is it creates a barrier for the seed to stick to so they don't bounce. Also, it provides the bottom moisture to start the germination process. So I'll take this seed and I'll just spread it out of this little mouthwash cup. I'll just show you a little bit of it here. And once I get done with that, I'll bring you back. Seed spread. Top it with the antifungal again. This is a super antifungal minus neem. And we'll get it on the assembly. It's been a few days for the parsley and we're still not seeing much movement on it. No roots below or anything. We'll keep going. The parsley is popping, but finally, but it's just not very even. So we'll see how it does. We'll keep going. Getting more germination from the parsley. Pretty cool. We've got pretty darn good germination here on the parsley. So I still have some that are smaller. I'm going to take the cover off and leave the blackout dome on. And what I'm hoping is that the stuff that's really tiny there, that are just starting to sprout pretty good, will go ahead and come on before I expose it to the light. Parsley is looking good. It's starting to germinate really well. It seems to be pretty delicate, like a lot of herbs. So I put, once it started sprouting, a good majority, I put this clear dome on. I can't remember if I said that before. It's looking good. We'll keep the dome on here for a little bit longer to let some of the seeds that have not reached below into the reservoir to get that nutrient. I think the majority of parsley is set roots below, and the ones that I wasn't certain about look like they're coming on now. So what I'm going to do is, just to make sure, I'm going to keep the clear dome on for another day, maybe two, and then we'll take it off and let it have at it. Parsley. The parsley now is above the sides, pretty good. I'm going to let the true leaves grow some more, because parsley is a very lightweight crop and I want to get a pretty good yield. Plus, I think one of the best characteristics of Parsley Microgreens are its true leaf. Look at them, those leaves are cool. So anyway, we're going to keep growing them for a little while longer. Parsley takes a long time. It's kind of like cilantro and other herbs, it just takes a long time. But it is looking absolutely gorgeous. It's really ready to harvest.
Hey everybody, we're going to get to harvesting this parsley. Parsley was a great grow for me. I really enjoyed it. I don't know what the market is for parsley grown as a microgreen, but it was fun for me. I grow it hydroponically, as you've probably seen if you're following me any at all. And so I grow it on screens known it's been this fragrant. Very, very fragrant. I'm really surprised.
Alright, let's get a weight on this. If you haven't seen this before, this is the way I weigh most of the time. I use a scale, put a cup on it to elevate the tub so that we can see the display. I've got an empty tub that matches this one perfectly. We'll put that on here and we'll zero it out. It's called tearing, T-A-R-E. So now when we put this one on, it's nothing but the weight of the microgreens. 0.35 pounds. That's not much at all, is it? Let's go to grams. 161 grams. 5.7 ounces. I don't know. That doesn't seem like a lot to me, but honestly, I don't know how I could squeeze more out of a parsley grow. It's just a very, very lightweight microgreen. This is Brent, you guys. We'll see you later.